Hi bees, welcome back to another video. My name's Jessie if it's your first time here, and I make videos like this 3 times a week, so hit that subscribe button if you do want to see more videos from me. Into today's video, I'm super excited. We're actually doing another ZARA haul. This is the last couple of days of winter in Australia. I am super duper excited, so I kind of got carried away and purchased some dresses. I know I did a lot of summer hauls already during winter, but I just love purchasing summer clothes. We are going to be doing the unboxing, try on and review of summer dresses at ZARA. Here is our package. Let's get opening. I think I was actually quite fortunate to find these dresses all in a size extra small. I'm pretty sure they are all extra small. Damn, I always try to be careful with this part and I always end up ripping it. Okay. This first one is a balloon sleeve dress. This is in a size extra small. I feel like this texture is not really soft and it makes kind of like a noisy sound. I'm hoping this is actually a bit more comfortable than what it looks like so far. But basically, I thought this was really cute on the website on the model. The sleeves pop up like that, so it's pretty big balloon sleeves with buttons down the front, and it's kind of got like a shirt detail. It's more of a charcoal dark grey kind of tint. Okay, so I definitely have mixed feelings about this dress. It's so loud. Wherever you're walking, people can actually just hear you from a mile away. It's like that scruffle, rough kind of sound. It sounds like you're wearing tracksuits and a windbreaker. Sleeves, I feel like, is so large. Like, I get what they mean by balloon sleeve, but honestly, the contrast between the actual sleeve and my arm is just so much, and I feel really airy inside. Like there's so much room, nothing clings onto my skin, it's just not snug at all, but at the same time I kind of feel well dressed. I don't know if it's because the sleeves, it creates that sort of extravagance. The collar makes it sort of look a bit formal as well. I don't know, I feel really conflicted. I mean, I'm sort of liking it, but at the same time, I sort of look confused. With all that aside, length is perfect. It's a tiny bit above my knee. I feel like with these kind of dresses, it makes you look slimmer than you actually are because your body is actually being drowned in all this material, but I don't mind it at all. I think it looks pretty cutesy. I feel like this is something straight out of a high fashion magazine or from a catwalk or a runway. I think it's the sleeves, but yeah, this is pretty comfortable. Just wasn't our time. Next dress, this one is super pretty. I've been eyeing this one out on the website for a while now. This is called the fitted dress. So last time I tried to buy it, it was actually sold out, so I'm super happy that they restocked this. This is in a size extra small. This material, in contrast to the first one, is so soft, and it actually feels quite thick, so the material feels awesome. This is also in a size extra small. It is kind of like a low back. I think this is so cute. The front seems pretty low, so hopefully that's okay. And there's a zipper at the back. This is also double lined as well, so it stops it from being see-through. This dress is really chic. It's figure hugging, it's comfortable, it's so flattering. I love the low back detail on this. Neckline is too long because the straps, so that's probably the only thing, because it's so fitted to everywhere else that you can't really pull this up or down to make it fit, and the straps are not adjustable. I really love this dress. I love how it's double layered, so it's not see-through at all. You don't need to worry about that. Everywhere else is perfect. The material feels really soft as well, so when you're wearing it, it's super comfortable. It's not like some tight dresses where it kind of rides up. The quality is just amazing on this. I really wish it fit. This is the beige ruffled dress. So cute. It's in the color camel. Super duper cute. Really love the ruffle details. Kind of reminds me of a paper bag for some reason. Maybe it's because of the color, but I'm pretty sure when you wear this on, it will definitely look a lot better in person. This is in a size extra small. Yeah, it looks like there's no zipper on this. There's a little button at the back. Definitely not stretchy. The only part that's stretchy is this elastic waist here. This dress definitely looks a lot better on than it did when I was holding it. Kind of doesn't look that much like a paper bag anymore. I really like the frill details here. This is super duper comfortable. I feel like these frills give it a bit of extra structure around the shoulders. This neutral color is just so easy and so versatile to pair with other colors like whites and other neutrals as well, even blacks. This dress is definitely giving me massive modern day Pocahontas kind of vibes. The length on this is perfect. It's just above my knee. I don't mind this material, but it's also a little bit noisy like the first one that we tried on. It's a bit of like, I don't know, it's not like your soft cotton kind of feel. The waist has a little bit of elastic in its drawstring, so it kind of draws it in a bit. I quite like this. If this came in white, that would be amazing. It's so beautiful satin dress. I love red so much, and this is probably one of my favorite dresses that I saw. I can't wait to try this. Even though there's no weddings or no events coming up, I feel like I'm so ready with the dresses once everything is back to normal. Satin camisole dress in size extra small. This kind of looks like a midi length. It's got like a slit down the front. The straps looks like it's kind of tied up. It's got like a scrunch front detail and a zipper on the side. This feels so soft. It feels like silky pajamas. It's so comfortable to be in. Okay, this red dress is a vibe. I love this dress. I love red dresses, so I knew I was gonna love this one. This feels so comfortable. It's like I'm wearing absolutely nothing in this dress. It's so soft on my skin. I love this dress so much. I can't wait to wear it out. But I love how the straps are adjustable. It was definitely way too low and way too long on me, but because it's just straps that you tie to the back of your dress, you can actually just adjust it to however high you want. It feels so amazing. I feel amazing in this. The length is perfect. I think in the picture this actually looks like a midi dress, but now that I'm wearing it, it's a maxi dress on me. So it's not too long, it's not too short. You can actually see my heels in this dress. Sometimes if I buy maxis, it goes all the way to the floor and more, and it drowns my whole outfit. But this is the perfect length. You know, I'm not going to trip over anything. This is so comfortable to wear, honestly. It's so elegant looking. Seriously obsessed with this dress. So luxe. Final dress for today is this flowing, what is this called? This is called, ooh. This is called the flowing dress with elastic detail. Okay, so this is in black, size extra small. It's got the low V-neck line, but this is really soft. It feels almost as soft as the silky satin one. There's no zippers on this one, but the buttons are down the front in the middle. Let's try it. Okay, this dress is so cute. Love the elastic waist. I feel like the V-neck here is just the perfect length. Everything is just so flowy and so effortless. Love this dress. On top of that, it's so soft, so comfortable. It feels almost velvety sort of material. Probably just needs a bit of ironing. Because it's a loose fitting dress, the elastic really helps in accentuating your body and pulls it in towards the waist so you don't look like a square or a rectangle. This is such a cute little black dress. The button detail down the front, I barely even notice it. It also sort of has like a shimmer sort of look in the sun. It kind of almost looks like satin, but it's not. It feels like it's in between satin and velvet. It feels so nice. Seriously obsessed with this dress. It is so comfortable. I choose comfort over everything. And it's also really pretty and stylish, so it's a bonus. I can definitely see myself wearing this all the time. I love it. That is the end of our try on haul. Thank you so much for watching as always. Let me know in the comment section down below which dress was your favorite. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and if you do want to see more videos from me. And I will see you guys in my next haul or video. Bye now.